Today, I want to talk about something that's really personal to me, but also something I think we need to talk about more in the society. Bullying, specifically bullying for being a nerd. When I was in middle school, I got bullied a lot. I loved science, I loved books, and I loved learning. And somehow, those things made me a target. I was called names, people made fun of the way I talked, the things I cared about, and even the way I dressed. And for a while, even until now, it really got to me. It crashed my self-confidence, and I started questioning if being smart and curious was something I should be ashamed of. But here's what I learned since then and what I want to share with you. First, own who you are. Being passionate about something is never something to hide. Whether it's science, math, art, or reading, those passions are what makes you you. And the truth is, the things people make fun of you for now, those are often the things that make you stand out later in life. Second, find your people. It might take some time, but there are always people out there who will appreciate you for exactly who you are. And I think that it is something that you can build a community, whether it's online communities, clubs, or even just celebrating small wins. And surround yourself with people who lift you up, not tear you down. Third, confidence comes with time. And I learned this the hard way. I know it's hard to feel confident while people are putting you down, but confidence doesn't happen overnight. It's something that you build. Start by celebrating small wins. Did you ace a test? Finish a great book? Learn something new? Be proud of that. And finally, don't be afraid to speak up. If you're being bullied, tell someone. A teacher, a parent, or even a counselor. No one deserves to feel small or invisible. Looking back now, I realize that being a nerd is one of the best things that happened to me. Or one of the best things about me. It's what led me to where I am today. Pursuing my passion for science, creating art, and building a career that I personally love and cherish. And the same thing can happen to you. I also want to say that being different doesn't mean that you're alone. It means that you're unique, and that uniqueness is what makes you special. Sometimes the people who make fun of you they're just projecting their own insecurities. They don't see the value in what makes you different, but it doesn't mean you should stop valuing it yourself. If you're struggling right now, remind yourself that every successful person you admire has faced criticism or doubt at some point. Use their stories as motivation to keep going. Surround yourself with positive influences, books, podcasts, and role models who inspire you to dream big and stay true to yourself. And remember, it's okay to outgrow environments that no longer support your growth. Whether it's changing schools, joining new groups, or even shifting your mindset, give yourself permission to move forward and thrive. So, to anyone out there who feels like they don't fit in, notice. Your uniqueness is your superpower. Embrace it, protect it, and never let anyone make you feel less than amazing. Thank you for watching, and if you experience anything like this, I'd love to hear your story in the comments. Share it with me. Let's keep this conversation going and support each other. Stay strong, confident, and stay proud of who you are. See you next time. Bye.